Hello friends, in this lecture we will talk about setting up and loading routes in our application. Here you can see I have three main components like home, users, servers. So I have also few sub components that I will talk in next section. As you can see on our web browser, you can see the content of all three components together. So here I want to show content for one component at a time, so that we can use dynamic load component by clicking on these tabs. To achieve this, we can use routes in our Angular application. Routes manage routing the pages content across the Angular application. So now the question is that where to register the route in a Angular application. We will define our route in app module file. So here at the above of the ng module, we need to declare here I will add new constant variable with the name of app root. And now app root type will be roots type, which we need to import from Angular router, which we need to import from Angular router package. Always try to import this on top. Now what this constant will hold? It will hold an array. As we will have multiple routes, now each route is a JavaScript object in this array. We need path, we need to define path, and I mentioned as a string users. So when user will navigate to the user path in our application, it will load a particular component. Let's see how to do that. Now add comma and mention the component here. So type component colon and then type the component name like users component. In this case, our user component will load when we will navigate to the user in the browser path. So now let's add couple of other routes. I just replicate the same. So at the first path I will pass empty string here, which means when we open our website homepage like localhost colon 4200, our application domain name, it could be anything depending upon the user domain name that you have purchased. I am using localhost. I type localhost colon 4200. It will load home component, the base component of my application, and then I mention users in the path to load the user component. Similarly for the servers route. So now we are done with the defining our app route section here, but our application will ignore this because we have not registered our route with the application. To register it with our application, we need to add new import. How to do that? We need to add a router module, and the router module should be imported from Angular router package. So with this we are adding router functionality to our application. And now type dot for root, which allow us to register some route for our application, and now pass app routes here as an argument. Now Angular know our routes, but how it will come to know where to load? So right place to load it here. Now add special directive named as router outlet. We are done with this, and if we visit our page, you can see only homepage content here. If I enter /users, it will load the user page content. Hope now you are clear with the route functionality. I would request you all, please subscribe my channel. There are more to come. Stay connected, stay safe. Thank you.